What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can earn $30 plus per email that you write. And this is also going to be really simplified for you because throughout this video, you're going to be given 2 or 3 websites that will be doing the work for you, that will give you the templates that you need, and you don't even need to make these emails yourself. And with the strategy, this is something that is really blowing up right now because businesses and individuals are constantly looking for email templates that they can use for sales and marketing purposes. And this is where we are going to come in and create these emails for these people and get paid for this. But I'm actually going to have Delania from the channel Living Delightful Freedom, who is an online entrepreneur from the United States of America, and she is really doing well at the strategy and her channel. So make sure to go and check out her channel. She really posts amazing content on how to build an online business and how to make money online worldwide. She's posting on the daily, so you're constantly getting new content. But if you're ready for this value pack video, make sure to listen to her throughout this video. She's really giving you a gem of information and a lot of tools that you will need to do this. But guys, my name is Jay. I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa, and on this channel I teach you ways to make money online, to build online businesses, to build sales funnels, and to get those sales that you are looking for online. But if you're ready for this value pack video, let's get straight into it.
You want to know how you can earn $200 per day or even more than that as a complete beginner online? In this video, I'm going to show you a method where you can start doing just that. I'm going to show you some skills that you can learn and you can go out and make money with this right from your home, right from your computer or your laptop. So you don't want to miss that. Stay tuned. Hello, my friend. Welcome to Living Delightful Freedom. I am Delania. So in this video, I'm going to show you a method where you can start earning $200 per day or more online. I'm going to show you where to go so you can post your gigs. I'm going to show you where you can go ahead online and get your free resources for this so you can start your own business doing this one specific thing. Okay, so this is a very exciting method. It's in high demand and a lot of people are looking for this service. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get right into it. All right, my friends, so right now I'm on Fiverr.com, and if I come over here and I search for email marketing campaign, I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. And what you're going to see are people who are creating email marketing campaigns for businesses or entrepreneurs. And a lot of people are looking for this service because they cannot write their own emails, or they're new at email marketing, or they just don't have the time to do it. So they rather pay someone like you to put the emails together for their email list. And if you're thinking, you know, I don't know how to write emails, I don't know how to do any of this, don't worry, because I'm going to show you where you can get some training and some free email templates so that you can get started doing this and charging people so that you can start making money. A lot of these people just don't have time to research any of this. They don't have the time to come up with the copywriting or the emails. So they need people like you to actually do the work for them. And this is how you're going to charge. All right. So right now I'm on Fiverr.com. As you can see, people are charging $40, $45 here. This gentleman is charging $30 per email. Look at that. He's charging $30 and that's only for one email. Okay, this is the basic. If you go ahead over to standard, he will charge $150 for 5 emails. Okay, that's a lot of money just to write 5 emails. All right. And as you can see, you look at the orders in his queue, he's got over 3,000 orders that he's fulfilled. Okay, so that's a lot of money already. Even if you're on basic, $30 for over 3,000 orders is a lot. Okay, so that's just one example of what you could do with this. Pardon the interruption, but if you're enjoying the content so far, make sure that you are smashing that subscribe button, liking this video, and now we will continue. Okay, so this is another site that you can go to post your jobs. This is peopleperhour.com. And on this site, you can actually post the jobs and you create how much you want to get paid on this site. All right, so if we go ahead and type in email marketing, you're going to see people posting their own jobs and they're posting up their own prices. So he is charging $25 per hour, $26 per hour, $39 per hour, $39, $33. So you can make really good money doing this. And if you're saying, I don't know how to do this, don't worry, because I've got you covered. That is coming up. I'm going to show you some websites that are going to help you out with that, including some websites that are going to teach you how to do email marketing. And with that being said, we're gonna go over here to Upwork.com. You can actually make more money on Upwork.com the better you get at actual email marketing. The more clients you have, the more you do it, the more you get into this business, then the better you're gonna get. And you can make more money over here if you go to Upwork.com. And same thing here, if you type in Same here, if you type in email marketing campaign, you're going to see that people are charging $60 per hour, $100 per hour, $150 per hour. Why? Because these companies, these businesses, these entrepreneurs actually need people to create these emails for them, okay? So they're willing to pay you this money, all right? So this is Upwork.com. And now if you come over here to Neil Patel's website, he's got some tips. He's got some free training over here for you to get familiar with the types of email marketing that can actually generate a response so that they can get their customers to opt in. Over here, he shows you 11 types of marketing emails that actually generate a response. He shows you examples of everything. So you can come over here and check these out. He's got the introductory email, the hard sell email. Keep scrolling down and he will show you 11 types of these emails, and you can get an idea and you can get a clue of what type of emails you need to write and what type of emails your customer actually wants you to write. So I'm going to show you where you can actually get email templates for free as well. So another website we're going to go to is right here. This is Udemy. This is udemy.com. And you can start learning how to do this for very cheap, you guys. They have a lot of cheap courses. The lowest, I believe, is $9.99 for a course, okay? This is udemy.com. If you want to pay $9 to go ahead and get started getting some training with this, then this is awesome for you. But I'm also going to show you some free resources that you can get. So right here, I'm on a website called groovehq.com. Over here, they're giving you 17 email scripts that help them grow their business, and they're for you to steal. So I am going to go ahead and link this down in the comment section. Okay, I'm going to pin this comment with this website and the other two websites that I have for you. Okay, so if you come over here, you can see that they have some free templates for you to go ahead and take a look at. And this is very cool, very helpful, you guys. Okay, so this one is called groovehq.com. I will link this below. And now I'm over here on tarzank.com, and you can get some free email swipes. Like it says here, easy to customize scripts for everyday emails, close new clients after a free consultation, schedule and reschedule existing clients. So they're going to show you the actual emails that you can actually do for these jobs, okay? Get what they have for you on this website. This is going to be $0. So all you have to do is enter your email and get the entire collection. It's free. So all you have to do is type in your first name and your email address, and then you are in, you are good to go. So I actually entered in my email already, and there we go. It says, nice, next step, open that collection and make them your own. So what they're giving you are 15 customizable emails, 2 subject lines packed with trigger phrases, which is actually what your customer wants. And there you go. So this one I will link down below in the comments section as well. And also I'm over here on warriorforum.com. And over here they have free, high quality, profit pulling and persuasive autoresponder emails with PLR. Okay, so this is even more in depth if you want to go ahead and grab that and get access to your free emails over here as well. I will have this linked down below so you can also check this out. So I just Googled what the average salary of an email copywriter is. That is the actual term. And the median annual copywriter salary is around $47,838, okay? With 80% of copywriters earning between $35K to $65K per year. So this was actually in 2017. So this, I'm sure this has gone up A lot of entrepreneurs or companies don't want to actually do this copywriting. So that will give you a general idea of the type of money that you could be making. It depends on how many jobs you get, what kind of work you do. Are you putting yourself out there? Are you constantly learning and researching, right? Another thing I wanted to show you is that if you just Google email marketing templates PDF, you can get a PDF over here for free. There are tons of websites that give away free email marketing templates, okay? So you can just do a quick Google search and look through all of this, okay? Just a little bit of research and you can start making some money doing this, and it's not gonna cost you a lot of money to learn. You don't even have to take a course if you don't want to. You can do it for free. Take a look and study all of these templates. You might really like this. So just an idea for you if you want to make a full-time living online working from home. All right, my friends, so that is today's video. Leave a comment down below and let me know if this was helpful for you. Now, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.